अनाउन्स केल्याने की आफ्टर 20th ग्रीन झोन एरियाज कॅन स्टार्ट सर्टन ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. सो आम्ही ॲज पर द MHA guidelines which was given by central government, GSI is in very close contact with the government. All the bureaucrats are so cooperative, so they have given extra effort in seeing that the smooth flow of the starting of the industry is ensured. So as we had already published yesterday in a press release, the procedure about how the industries can start their operations. That's the main thing. There is one Google form which any industry has to fill up. In that Google form, the details will be like which industrial estate, what is the authorized person's name, what is the telephone number, his email ID, how many passes he require for the bus for the travel, how many passes for the car and for the bike, and how many people will be coming on foot, those permission. That is the only details they have to key in. Once the form is submitted, all the data will be populated at the GSI office, and that data we are segregating industrial estate wise. There are total 23 industrial estates. That data we are giving to the field managers through managing director of the GIDC. Field manager will get the stickers with the barcode from the collector, and the proper numbering pass number will be indicated by them, and that will be issued to the company. Company has to give the authorization letter, means undertaking, saying that they will comply to all the guidelines that have been mentioned in the MHA guidelines. If they cannot comply with that, then those companies should not start the work, because health is the priority in the state, because we are very fortunate to have minimum cases and we should continue to remain safe. See, गोंया जर सेफ रावतले जाल्यार फॅक्टरीन सगळ्यांक हें करपाक जाय. भायले लोक, स्टेटाच्या भायल्या लोकांक भितर येवपाक दिवपाचे ना, कित्याक चडशे कंपनीचे थोडे सुपरवायझर बी भायर आसा, ते विचारता की आमी तांकां घेवपा येता. So government is very clear on that till 3rd, nobody who is staying outside Goa will be allowed to work in the company. That assurance company has to give, and that we have indicated as a GSI apex body to everybody that they have to follow the MHA guidelines in totality. First instance, when the essential services were started, they were asked to apply to the collectors. आणि कलेक्टर ह्या सिच्युएशनान चडशे टायम बिजी आसताले, बिकॉज दे हॅड टू टेक अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो इन कन्सिडरेशन. सो इनिशियली वी कूड हॅव लिटल बिट इफेक्ट इन गेटिंग द परमिशन, बट आय मस्ट से that out of all the industrial hubs in the country, Goa is the first one to start the pharmaceutical companies in time and very efficiently. Nowhere in the country the pharmaceutical industries has got the support from the government like we have got in Goa. All the hurdles were cleared by government promptly, and the bureaucrats are, I must thank bureaucratic team in the company with the headed by CS Parimal Rai. They have done excellent job in implementing this, and that is why the pharmaceutical, see, entire world is dependent on India for the pharmaceutical products, and Goa has ensured that these pharmaceutical units have started and the products have been exported to all the countries which need medicines in time.